Yeah, hi folks. Today I want to test my new here. It's a Tefal Secure Trendy 6 liter. It's quite high here, so you see this pressure cooker. It's quite have a lot of features. You can go here when you do some pork or stew or whatever. Today I will use this one because I want to make my German potato salad, the famous one everybody eat and can never stop. Quite funny. Then you have here this feature to release the steam before you open it. Otherwise you cannot open it. It has here the secure lock. As you can see here inside, it's red when it's locked. To release it, you have to pull this one backwards, and you cannot pull it when this one is under pressure. Another feature, it's very simple. Here is the arrow marking, stainless lid, and here is the marking, the counterpart. And then you can lift it very simple up. So inside you have the here the steamer and the stand for the steamer. Therefore, when you make, I use today 1.5 kilo potatoes. Therefore, we need about, now let's say 350, 12 ounce. Let's say 12 ounce of water. Then you put this inside, so it stands good. Followed by your potatoes. Tip, you should look that it is, arrange them a little bit. So 1.5 kilo. So if you use two big potatoes and small one mixed up, you have a problem, because the small one will be well done and the other one are still a little bit hard. So these are almost the same size. So then you look for the marking here. Cluck, you hear that? Cool. So now this is locked. We check again here. We have not pork, we have the vegetable here. Then we plug in. Okay, full power. Quite easy to use. Looks good for me. When it starts to cook, right, you will see some steam will come out here or here. Watch out, this small hole, this is for the steam. Now I still can touch it because it's not too hot, not hot yet. And here also. And so be careful, pressure cooker, they work in the vegetable area with 112, and with the meat almost 120, 170 Celsius. That's a quite hot story, so always watch out and be careful. So, and then we will look later how the potatoes are done. Potatoes need about 10 minutes instead of 20, so half the time. When you make a goulash, a stew, a pork stew or roasted, where you need 2-3 hours, you can make it here inside and just an hour. Wow, you see, so it's useful. The money you spend for that you will save later in electric. Think of my words. If you like my video, please click the like button or subscribe also to my channel. Thank you. See you later.